Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do an experiment. If you have a Z or a G, you know that it's hard to do a standstill burnout, or pretty much impossible without like some custom mod or a tune. So what I'm gonna try today is a brake lamp fuse pull method. So basically I'm gonna go into my like one of my fuse boxes that's inside of the car that I believe is here somewhere, or here, like I don't know. I'm gonna find it right now, let you guys know where it is. But I'm gonna pull that fuse, and after that I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna see if it's possible to do a burnout with it, because I've never been able to do a standstill burnout in this car, and I would love to, because like that's fun. That's part of being rowdy with the car. You want to do a burnout sometimes. So I'm gonna try that out, and I mean, if it works, I might see if I could do a switch to just have something in the future just to be able to do burnouts when I feel like it. But either way, I'm gonna set this up. I'll show you guys the process, and I'm gonna also warm up my car, and after it's warm, I'm gonna do a fat burnout in my driveway if it works. And if it doesn't work, I'll let you guys know it didn't work. And yeah, I mean, either way, we'll see what happens, right? So stick around. Okay, so it looks like the fuse box is here, and I'm actually having to use my phone camera to see. So yeah, this is gonna be hard to see because I have like door bars and racing seat and all that, but let me try to figure this out. Anyway, yeah, it's on that part that's right by the door, on the driver's side, and here it says what each one does. So here is the stop lamp, the 10 amp one that's on this side. So let me identify that and pull it out. So I have these tweezers. I hope they work. And yeah, I'm gonna use this as guidance, and I'm gonna try to pull that fuse out. So let me identify it and see what I could do. It honestly looks so much different than I would expect it to, based on this. Like, look at this. It has like 15 boxes, and that thing looks like it has like 30. So it might require some trial and error, but I'm willing to do that for science. So let's do this. This would be much easier if I didn't have this door bar right here in my chest. Look at this. But you can't have everything. Like, I want to have safety, so I can't have that comfort. It's all good. It's a trade-off, but safety first, right? Okay, so I think I've identified it, and I'm gonna try pulling it out if I could even reach. Nice, I got it out. All right, let's see what's up. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn the car on and see if it all went well. If I did everything correctly, right now my brake lights should not work, so I'm gonna test them. All right, so my foot's on the brake, and my spotter said that my brake lights are not coming on, so I got the correct fuse out, and the ABS light is on too, so that's interesting. Maybe that's the reason why it can't burn out. Anyway, this is obviously illegal in the street, because if you don't have your brake light working, that's a major issue. But now that worked, let's see if I can do a burnout. All right, so now that the brake light fuse is out, I'm gonna just put the car in a better position for lighting. And now that it's warmed up, I can do that, and then it's ready to go. So I hope you guys enjoy this burnout, and I hope you guys do a fat burnout too, and send it to me on social media or something. For those of you who don't know how to do a burnout, I'm gonna put the clutch in, raise the RPMs to like maybe 5,000, dump it, and then put my foot on the brake right after and just hold it, and yeah, let's see what happens. All right, guys, I just want to say that I'm gonna do this because my tires are almost done, and I have a few extra sets already. So yeah, it's just gonna be a fun way to send off the tires, and they're Cosmo Mucho Macho 265s, and these actually last forever. So I believe these may actually potentially survive this burnout, and then I could still use them some more. So those are really good tires. I hope they sponsor me someday, at least so I could use them for grassroots if they're down. So we have that camera going in the front to get a reel for my socials. So again, like, look at the bio of this video so you guys can check me out on my socials. And let's get this video going. It actually worked. What do you know? Look at the aftermath. That's crazy. I'm gonna try to pressure wash these out. But yeah, that was so much fun. And I wish these cars did this from the factory, but since they don't, it's good to know what it takes to get it done. So maybe, I've never done it before, but maybe I'll make a, if possible, I'll make a switch for that fuse, because I would love to be able to do burnouts whenever I feel like it. Use this and do it if you want, because you know how it is. If you go to a drag strip, you want to be able to heat up your tires, or if you're going to go drifting, sometimes you like to heat up their tires like that too. So use this. This video was for science. And yeah, remember to like, comment, and sub. Check me out on social media. Yeah, the fuse is back in and the brake lights work again, so we're all good. See you guys next time.